system born out of capitalism, which only benefit a few white people at the top of the food chain, and we needed to break that food chain for education. Because if we don't know our history, how can we determine our position in today's struggle? How do we know what we want, need, or should even demand? So I started that mission in my high school because I wanted to get some black teachers up in there, teaching us black kids about our history and our worth by bringing our experiences into the shit. An education is small as reparation in comparison to the whips and lashes placed upon our ancestors' backs, forcing their hands to be used for free labor, and the motherfucking pool ain't too much to ask for either.